हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टार्टअप बस। आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं एक फास्ट ग्रोइंग स्टार्टअप की और वेल नोन स्टार्टअप की, जिसे आप सब जानते होंगे, बायजूस। बायजूस बेंगलोर बेस्ड ऑनलाइन ट्यूटोरियल फर्म है। तो चलिए देखते हैं बिजनेस मॉडल ऑफ बायजूस। बायजूस की शुरुआत 2008 में हुई थी, जिसके फाउंडर और सीईओ हैं बायजू रविचंद्रन। तो चलिए देखते हैं बायजूस की शुरुआत कैसे हुई थी, कहाँ से शुरू हुआ था बायजूस। 2008 रविचंद्रन ने कैट क्रैक किया था, वो भी 100 परसेंटाइल से। कैट क्लियर करने के बाद रविचंद्रन ने कैट की कोचिंग स्टार्ट की और फिर 2009 में उन्होंने वीडियो बेस्ड कोचिंग स्टार्ट की। वीडियो बेस्ड कोचिंग स्टार्ट करने से उन्हें बहुत फ़ायदा मिला और वह 2-3 हज़ार बच्चों को एक साथ पढ़ाने लगे। बिजनेस को धीरे धीरे स्केल अप करके 2015 में बायजूस ने अपनी खुद की कंपनी खोली और जिसका नाम दिया द बायजूस लर्निंग ऐप। तो चलिए देखते हैं वैल्यूएशन एंड फंडिंग ऑफ बायजूस ऐप। बायजूस ऐप को 1.4 बिलियन की फंडिंग मिली और उनका जनवरी 2020 में वैल्यूएशन 8 बिलियन का हो गया। आपको जान के हैरानी होगी कि बायजूस कंपनी वर्ल्ड मोस्ट वैल्यूएबल एडुटेक कंपनी है। बायजूस कंपनी का रेवेन्यू हर साल डबल होता है। फॉर एग्जांपल 2016 में उनका रेवेन्यू था 248 करोड़ एंड 2017 में उनका रेवेन्यू था 500 करोड़ एंड 2019 में उनका रेवेन्यू हो गया 1400 करोड़। तो चलिए देखते हैं 7 सक्सेसफुल ईयर्स ऑफ बायजूस कंपनी।
Why doesn't the moon fall? Why do stars twinkle? How do birds fly? 7 years of answering some of the most beautiful questions. Now we ask,
next 7 years, I think ed and tech will move out and we might become the world's biggest education company. Today, we're addressing the problem of how a child should learn. In 2025, I think we will be addressing the problem of what a child should learn.
If you ask me the next 7 years, I think we would have reached toddlers to teenagers across the globe.
Well, I'm sure with the technological innovations that we're going to implement in the future, will definitely place Byju's as the most influential global leader in the edtech space.
When I think of number 7, I think of uniqueness of each color in the rainbow, the iconic, the unparalleled, and the absolute structures of art in the 7 wonders of the world.
I see our content reaching children not just through apps and tablets, but through toys and games and learning aids that we've not even imagined yet. Maybe even edumusement parks. And teaching not just maths and science, but every topic under the sun to every child on the face of the earth.
The future of content at Byju's? Well, let me tell you, in just a few months' time, we're going to be launching an exciting new product in collaboration with. How about that? Hey, you're not going to censor that by any chance, right?
No way.
The next phase of this would be where technology helps us in the next mile and gives the user a truly personalized experience. What the app will do is to leverage the student's strengths and to ease out his pain points. In the end, what the app will look to become is to be a student's best friend / his mentor.
So we're now designing. I think the leap from being an Indian startup to a global company is going to transform all of us, and especially for brand marketing, it's going to be super thrilling and brain-teasing to be designing campaigns for the global audience.
It opens up newer markets, it opens newer possibilities, it opens new consumer behaviors. It is exciting to see what the future holds for us and what we create of it.
So we don't chase targets, we set benchmarks. Be it the last 7 years, be it the next 7, I'm pretty sure we're going to be at the top of our game.
In the last 7 years, we've gone from a small office in Bangalore to every nook and corner of the country. We don't just look at revenue, we believe in creating an impact. And in the next 7 years, it's going to be massive.
When we started, we used to deliver it on scooties. 7 years from now, maybe we would be delivering it through drones.
What makes Byju's the company today? Definitely it's the people.
I think what's worked for us is the fast pace of the company, which is perfectly in sync with the high energy levels of our young workforce.
Now talking about Byju's 7 years down the line, all I can say is within a few years, we would definitely be having a more diverse workforce.
From 15 employees to more than 2,500 employees. Things have changed, we have changed. But our values, beliefs and principles have not.